Hey crypto enthusiasts, Josh here from Cryptomania, bringing you the hottest XRP news of the day on this April 30th, 2025. What a monumental day for the XRP community. Today marks the official launch of ProShares XRP futures ETFs, a development that's been sending shockwaves through the crypto market. The Securities and Exchange Commission has approved 3 XRP-based futures ETFs from ProShares that begin trading today. The Ultra XRP ETF, which offers 2x leveraged long exposure, the Short XRP ETF, providing 1x inverse exposure, and the Ultra Short XRP ETF, with 2x leveraged short exposure. This regulatory breakthrough represents a historic moment for Ripple's token and signals rising institutional interest in XRP-based products. It's worth noting that these are futures-based ETFs, not spot ETFs, which means they track XRP price movements through futures contracts rather than direct ownership of the cryptocurrency. The market reaction has been mixed, with XRP showing some volatility. While XRP climbed an impressive 7% over the final week of April, some sources are reporting a 2.5% drop today on what appears to be confusion in the market. It seems some investors were expecting a spot ETF approval rather than these futures-based products. Speaking of spot ETFs, there's more encouraging news on that front. Bloomberg intelligence analysts have significantly raised their prediction for an XRP spot ETF approval this year to 85%, up sharply from their 65% forecast back in February. This optimism extends to other cryptocurrencies as well, with Litecoin and Solana ETFs now given a 90% chance of approval. However, the SEC recently delayed decisions on several applications, including Franklin Templeton's Spot XRP ETF, which suggests we may still have to wait a bit longer for true spot ETF products. In more positive developments for the XRP ecosystem, we're seeing significant progress internationally. Brazil has reportedly approved the first XRP spot ETF, and there are indications that the SEC lawsuit against Ripple may finally be nearing withdrawal. These factors, combined with the ProShares ETF launch today, are creating a strengthening foundation for XRP's legitimacy in traditional finance. Despite these bullish fundamentals, it's not all smooth sailing. Some market observers have pointed out that XRP is down about 30% from recent highs, which seems counterintuitive given what many are calling the most bullish fundamentals in history. XRP analysts suggest this drop masks the historic fundamentals and strategic institutional integration happening behind the scenes. Technical indicators show key support around the $200 level, with the 200-day EMA at $1.96 and resistance at $2.22. The NUPL, Net Unrealized Profit Loss indicator for XRP currently sits at 0.73, placing it in the belief denial stage of the market cycle. This suggests long-term holders are seeing larger paper gains, but the market could soon face a critical moment where either continuation or a correction emerges. Looking ahead to May, experts are suggesting we could see even bigger moves as major catalysts line up. The combination of ETF developments, a pro-crypto US Congress, and a more favorable regulatory environment under the current administration positions XRP for potential growth, though price volatility is expected as these developments unfold. Some analysts have even suggested that XRP's market cap could eventually surpass Ethereum's, with rumors of a potential XRP and Swift partnership adding fuel to the speculative fire. If a spot ETF is eventually approved, some experts predict it could drive up to $100 billion in capital inflows into XRP. For those interested in the DeFi ecosystem building on XRP Ledger, there's news about Zendex, a decentralized exchange built on Ripple's native blockchain. They've reportedly filled their soft cap in their pre-sale phase, with their XDX tokens set to be listed on major exchanges including Binance, Gate.io, Bitmart, MEXC, First Ledger, and MagneticX. That's all for today's XRP news update. As we navigate these exciting times in the crypto world, remember that while the fundamentals for XRP look increasingly strong, volatility remains a constant companion in this space. If you found this update valuable, please smash that like button and hit subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our daily crypto updates. Share this video with your crypto community, and let us know in the comments what you think about today's XRP developments. This is Josh from Cryptomania, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's update.